How to fix follow limit reached on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Facebook application here and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now, if you can't follow anymore or you have reached your limit, that means you have already followed 5,000 groups and accounts. So to be able to actually follow someone or follow someone new, then you have to unfollow the account, one account or one group. So to do that is, for example, here, I am following this group. Tap on this or this page. And if you tap on their page, you will see following there, right? Just tap on following there and tap on unfollow. Unfollow here. And basically, you can now follow a new account or new page. And basically, that is how you fix follow limit reached on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.